Hello friends, in this tutorial we are going to learn about binary tree traversals. Binary tree traversals. We got to know what is a binary tree. That is, it will have at most two children. So how the traversals goes on. Binary tree traversals. We have four kinds of binary tree traversals. One is level order. That is, in which order we traverse. Like if you want to search any element, first thing we need to traverse. So level order, pre-order, post-order and in order. So let's take an example. A, B, C, D, E. Level 0, level 1, level 2. 3 levels are there for this tree. So, example for level order. Level order. The name represents levels. So, A, B, C, D are the level order. In this order, we traverse the binary tree according to levels. This is binary tree traversal using level order. Now let's go with in order. In order, first we traverse the left child. Next we traverse the root. Next we traverse the right child. In order, left, root and right. So let's take an example of A, B, C, D, E. As we said left, first left is D. So we take D. Next root. Root for this is B. Next right. Right is E. Now complete left is completed. So root is A. Next right is C. So D, B, E, A, C. In this way we traverse the tree in order way. One more example, let's take for in order is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So left is 2. Next root node 1. Right. While going to right, we found that this right node have childrens. That is, again we go to left node. That is 4. Again root is 3. Again we go to 5. 5 we find have children, but it doesn't have left node. If it doesn't have left node, we go with root, that is 5. Again right node is 6. 6 have children, 7 and 8. So 7, 6, 8. Left, root, right. 2, 1, 4, 3, 5, 7, 6, 8. And this way we are traversing in order. Now let's go with post order. Post means after. So first left. Next right. Next is root. So post. Post means root. In order means in. As we have studied in the stack example, infix, postfix and prefix, right? Infix, in between. Prefix, before. Postfix, after. So in that way only, this pre-order, post-order, in-order goes. So post-order, left, right and root. Example, small example, A, B, C. Left, right, root, right. So B, C, A. In this way it will traverse. Now 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Left, 4, 5, 3. 4 left, 5 right, root 3. Left is completed. Now we go to right. 6, 7, 2. Left, right, root. Right is completed. Now we go to root. 4, 5, 3, 6, 7, 2, 1. In this way we traverse in post order. First left completed, next right completed, next last root node will come. Now pre-order. Pre-order is before. So root will be first, next is left, next is right. Small example, A, B, C. So root A, next left, next small, A, B, C. Now A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Root, right? So root is A will take. Next left. While coming to left, B is root. D, E. Next again, we come to right. Left is completed, we come to right. So C, root, F is left, right is G. A, B, D, E, C, F, G. In this way we traverse in the pre-order. So level order we go level by level. In order is middle will be root. So first we complete left, next root, next will be right. In post order, root will be at last. So first left, next right, next root. In pre-order, first root, next left, next right. In this way we traverse the trees. Now the main thing, how we construct the binary tree from these traversals. If they give traversals like A, B, D, E, C, F, G, how we construct this tree is what we are going to learn now. Construction of binary trees from traversals. So let's take an example. G, D, B, H, I, E, F, C, A. This is post order. This is an example from textbook. They will give whether it is post order or pre order, and one more they will give in order. In order is D, G, B, A, H, E, I, C, F. One post order, in order. In order they will give, and they will give either post order or pre order. From this we need to construct the tree. And we know post order means root will be at the last. So this is A is root here according to post order. So in order we know root will be in the middle. So A is here. So these are the left child and these are the right child. So now how we construct the tree is A, D, G, B, H, E, I, C, F. Now we will see this. We will take this DGB. This DGB, post order means we will go like this. From DGB, B is coming first. So we will take B as root. And this D and G are onto the left. B we will take as a root. From D, here DGB is there, right? We will check from here where this DGB will come. But B is coming first. So B we will check to the left. D and G are here. But to the right D and G are not there. So we will take B, D, G like this. And now we consider DG. Here D is there. To the left of D, G is there. So we represent DG like this. So finally we represent it as A, B, D and G. Done. Now we will go with HEICF. HEICF, C is coming first and all are to the left. So C, HEIF. HEIF are all left to this. Now we consider HEIF. We consider HEIF. From this HEIF we will see to that oh sorry, I made a mistake. When we check this C here, we need to check this here. After checking the C in post order, it is a root. We need to check in the root node that it is C. To the left HEI is there, to the right F is there. So F we will take. So now we will take HEI. In this HEI, E is coming first, and in here H is left to E and I is right to H. So we represent this like this, HI. So the final tree for C is C, E, H, I, and this is F. So totally, finally, how the tree look like? A, B, C, D, G. This is C, E, H, I, and F. In this way, we construct the tree from the traversals. So if you like this video, please do like, subscribe, comment, share with your friends. Click on the bell icon to get the notifications of new videos. Thank you.